Hi everyone, this is Sap Peanuts and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we transformed our backyard from this to this. So when we moved into our house more than a year ago, our backyard was all just dirt and grass, and it was all muddy during rainy seasons, and we couldn't even hang out in the backyard until we decided to do some landscaping. At first, we talked to different landscapers and they gave us goals, and they quoted us for $35,000 to $45,000, and we thought it was very expensive and we couldn't afford that. So we decided to just DIY or do-it-yourself landscaping. So it is all DIY or do-it-yourself. We had some help from a friend moving the rugs, but it was all that. Most of the work I did myself with the help of my hubby moving the rocks and the soil. So for this DIY landscaping, we only spent about $4,500, including the gazebo. The gazebo is the most expensive one because it's $1,100. We bought it for $1,100 on Amazon. But the rocks, we use salt and pepper rocks. We use 6 yards of salt and pepper rocks. We use 2 yards of 1.5 inch of dolomite rocks. We use 2 yards of half-inch dolomite. We use 1.5 yard of red lava rocks and 4 yards of the garden soil. And we still have a lot of extras that we're planning to use when we do our front yard landscaping. We cannot continue doing landscaping right now because it's too hot. It's summer right now here in California. So we can continue doing our front yard, but we still have a lot of extras of the rocks, of the salt and pepper rocks, all the rocks that we bought from Hastings here in California, in Olivehurst, California, which is close to where we live. And yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you how we transform our backyard, and again, you will save a lot of money if you're going to do it yourself. It is not perfect, but we love the result. We love our work. It's fun working in the backyard, and now we can enjoy hanging out in our backyard, even if it's raining, even if it's sunny, because we have a gazebo. So we can now use our backyard, we can enjoy it, and it's so much it's amazing to see the result of your own work. So if you want to save some money, you can just DIY it. And again, in this video I'm going to show you how we DIY our backyard landscaping, and I hope that you will learn something on this in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope that you enjoy my video.